Hi, my name is Anna Beers. I am 22 years old and I'm from Auburn, Washington. Auburn is right between Seattle and Tacoma, just to give you some reference. I'm the youngest of 4 kids. I'm studying marriage and family counseling, and yeah, here's a picture of my family. At the top is my brother and my dad. In the middle is my mom, my sister, my oldest sister, and her husband and their 2 kids. This picture is a little bit old, and they actually have 3 kids now as of last month. And at the bottom is myself and my sister, who's just older than me. Some things I enjoy doing are spending time with my family, hiking, fishing, anything outdoors really. And I love spending time with my dog. This is my dog, Oscar. He's a yellow lab, and he's 112 pounds, but he thinks that he's really small, and he likes to climb up on very small ledges and sit on top of people, but he's obviously quite large and shouldn't be doing those things. As I mentioned, I grew up in Auburn, Washington, but I've lived for 4 years in Idaho going to BYU. And I also got to live in Alaska for a short time. While I was there, I was working for a nonprofit Native organization. I am part Alaska Native, and that allowed me to go live there and work with their organizations to help kind of see the needs of the Native people and how we can help them adjust into a more Western society. I spent most of my time in Anchorage, but I also had the opportunity to go to the Aleutian Islands and work with the people out there, attending their culture camps and providing higher education seminars to the children there. I have also recently returned from living in Ukraine for 4 months, which was really crazy, but a really awesome opportunity. While I was there, I was teaching English to little kids ages 2 to about 12. It was a really difficult experience, but one that I don't think I'll ever forget, and I hope not to. These pictures are just some of the travels that I was able to do while I was there. The top left is Prague. Top right is Lithuania. Bottom left is the Colosseum in Rome. And bottom right is Vienna, Austria. Once I graduate with my degree in marriage and family studies, I hope to get my master's degree in social work. Doing that, I want to ultimately be a counselor in juvenile correction centers working with adolescents, helping them become better members of society again. Ultimately, I just want to help people, and to help them, I must understand them. And that's what I hope to get out of this class, is to better understand how people develop and how people live, so that way they can be the best they can be.